Welcome to DJMTV.
Welcome now once again to DJMTV. Make una do it to the follow us, like, share, subscribe. As I am, they bring all the Obonge news, they come your way. This one not be them say. This one is see for yourself. Make you hear for yourself. On today's news, I carry political news can give you now. All of us know Labour Party candidate for Edo State, where they call Olumide. He don't come outside though. So one those people when they remove pictures from billboard, they don't talk say he don't pay millions of naira for those billboard, but still yet the governor of Edo State, Obaseki, go they tell people make them remove one. My people, I want to play on the video. Make una hear I ain't talk this matter. Watch this video reach the end.
I'm a lawyer and I've been one for 30 years, right? During the primaries, same thing happened. Right after the primaries, my balls were being taken down all over the city, right? Now that INEC has lifted the ban on campaigns, we started installing our boards all over Benin City. I just returned from Lagos yesterday, only for me to hear that boards that we have just started installing around Benin are being taken down again. There's a board at the Stadium Road, Akenzua Junction. Two-sided board. One side is an ad from another organization. One side is an ad from my campaign. Only mine was taken down. Now we are on Akenwa Road by the Uniben main gate. I had a two-sided board right here, taken down by the Oredo Local Government Council. I sent a message to the chairman today, Mr. Obaseki, who happens to be a brother or cousin or relative of the governor. And I told him that my boards are being taken down. There is an individual in the Oredo Local Government called Charles Egareva. He's supposed to be a member of the Revenue Department. He's the one who sent messages to my billboard installers, telling them to take down the boards. I was even told that he had the temerity to suggest that the board on Akenzua is a route that the governor takes regularly. So we must take my board down because the governor takes that route regularly. It is ridiculous. This is the kind of stunt that this government pulls all the time. We are going into a contest. The playing field should be level. Look behind. You can see a board belonging to the NNPP. It's standing. And it's not only this location. We have just received information from Ikpobaoha local government that our board, the board that we just installed on Ramat Park, we must take it down. Meanwhile, PDP candidate, his board is all over the place. We are even told I'm going towards Uselule Road now. Same problem. They are taking down my boards. And these things cost money, effort, and time. What are they afraid of? So I am not here to complain. I don't complain. I'm here to issue a warning to those who are behind this, to Governor Obaseki and his minions.
We are ready.
These local government chairmen who are the product of a sham election. Nothing happened on the 2nd of September. We know that they are illegal occupants of those seats. And they are coming now to pull down my billboards. Nobody has the monopoly of brigandage.
Never.
I'm not a pushover. Nobody will do this.
They know.
Nobody. That is why we are going from billboard to billboard. Ovia Northeast local government. The chairman is Collins Ubewe. Took down my board at S&T, four-sided board that we paid millions of naira for. Took it down and blacklisted the board so that the board would not be given to us. We paid over 6 million naira for this board, all four sides. We put our ads, they took it down. We put it up again, they took it down. Ovia Notice Local Government. Collins Ubewe is the chairman. Then they now claim that they have blacklisted the board. Today, see, there's an ad there, Glen Village. How can you do that? Took down our ad. I called the chairman twice. Again, I say, I'm not complaining. I'm sending out a note of warning. This is unacceptable. We will not accept it. I have similar incidents like that all over the city because they know that they are not the people's choice. But pulling down billboards will not faze me or my supporters. This election is a referendum. Enough of this nonsense. So I just want to put it on record that this is what is going on. I will not accept it.
Never.
I will not accept it.
Never.
So I have asked my contractors to put back the boards. All the boards that have been taken down, I've told them, and in the next 24 to 48 hours, the boards will be back up. And I dare them. I dare any of them to try it again.
My people, when I don't watch the video finish, and I don't hear waiting talk, wahala now, don't turn to Edo State governorship election. Wetin una take for this matter? Make una drop una comment for comment section, like and share this video. Until come your way again, make una always do it to stay safe. Una do.
DJ